Hello everybody, welcome back to an edition of the EcoStruxure Machine Expert HVAC. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see are the actions on the HMI. So let's go to the software. So actions, what are the actions here? So basically, actions are actions that based on an input that you have, it generates something, okay, and that something can have different kind of actions. So it's like having a function block, and inside you can call another function block in theory. So so actions, where are located? So as soon as you open the display part, okay, you have the HMI actions. This HMI action, if you're not able to see it, is on the tool windows, view tool windows, and you have HMI actions. Okay, so we have local actions and global actions. Local actions are the one created on each page. Okay, so if you have, for example, another page, insert page, okay, so page 1 has this action. I don't know, enter, edit. And then let's open this. It's gonna have virtual key function 1, and it's gonna be close. Okay, so you can see that I only have one action here. Okay, I don't have two, as I have, for example, this one, it has their own actions individually. Okay, so if you want, for example, to long press something on the embedded display or the keys that we have, long enter to do an action, a different action from the other page, you can do that. Okay, what I usually try to do is to not overlap the key that generate a different action. I know that one has more priority than the other one, but right now I don't remember. I try to avoid having that, just to know that, I don't know, the enter is always going to do something, the up is going to always do something, and down is going to do something. These three actions are already defined when you open the project, when you start a new project. In the past, we didn't have this, and we need to do it manually. Yes, manually, yeah, I know, pain. But now it's already in there, so there is no need to think about this. But you can still change this part. And which are these default actions that we've seen here? So basically, is when you have, for example, let's put a button here. Oops. Let me just modify this. It's my mouse there. Control C, Control B, Control B. So each object that can have an action, okay, has a selection order. This selection order will help us to navigate through the page. Okay, so if you want, for example, to click on this or execute an action, you just need to use the enter. If you want to go to the next button, then you just need to press the up. It's going to be the previous field, or down for the next one, and you just increment this selection order. Okay, so that's basically the idea of this default. Okay, but the important thing here is that you have local actions that are based on each page, and you have the global actions that are related to all the pages. Okay, and then you have different kind of actions. So you have call that's going to be linked to calling a procedure. This is like calling a function, but different kind of thing, but has different name. Open page, just to open a different page, and this is useful when you are working different kind of when you would just want to navigate to open a page. You have the possibility to use close when you work in a different kind of navigation using the hierarchy key. You just close that, or if I believe, if I'm not wrong, when you want to use the messages, you can close the message. And then you have next field to increment that object selection order, and the previous field to go back on the selected object. And then the edit is just like the enter. Okay, just to edit a field or execute something that you have on the push button. Okay, so that would be the idea. Then you have what triggers, or the triggers in this case are the keys. It could be another procedure, okay, that triggers an action. okay? But here are all the different things that we have. So we have the enter, that is on the OK button that we have. We also have the long, okay? So you want to press long, I believe it's 3 seconds if I'm not wrong, but long enter is going to be to press the enter for a few seconds, and then you just execute an action that you want. You have left, right, up, down, of that. You also have virtual function keys, that these are important when we work with procedures and we want to generate an event, okay? Event procedure. So we're gonna take a look on that one, but that will be later. So what I wanted to show you here is just a quick introduction about local actions and global actions, what they are and what we can achieve with this, okay? And then in the next video, what we're gonna see is to focus on each individual actions that we have. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.